In this lecture, we're going to be talking about religion. If you're not religious and hold no religious practice, feel free to skip over to the next lecture. Let's just start with some research findings. I've posted an article in the resource section about a few studies that have been conducted regarding the connection between religion and porn use. These studies have shown that people with strong religious beliefs have a higher chance of abusing porn and becoming addicted. The theory behind this is that some people who are raised as strongly religious may have had their sexuality suppressed and felt an immense amount of shame and guilt when feeling sexual. The spiral of this continues, and the more shame and guilt a person had, the more they turn to porn to fix that feeling. But when the porn viewing is over, the shame and guilt returns, and then it becomes a vicious cycle. The good news is that whatever religion you practice, forgiveness is almost always a core concept. So use this time now to reconnect with your God or higher power. Go back to church, go more often, and rekindle those relationships. Pray multiple times per day and know that you are taking charge and taking care of your spiritual and religious self.